sexy. Oh, wow. What's up, guys? It's a little bit before 7 o'clock. I'm in Miami Beach. Came in around 11 o'clock last night to catch the sunrise, so it's gonna be pretty cool. All right, I'll see you guys in a second. Hey, what is up, everyone? I am in South Beach, Florida. I came in. I am with the incredible Irina. Hey, I can't believe she woke up so early, got ready. What was it, 5:30? We're going for a sunset shoot. I mean, sunrise, because we're on the East Coast now. Look at this. Look at that! And the moon is still out somehow. It's not that cold. This is really gorgeous right now. We're gonna do a swimsuit shoot. That's a very difficult word to say. Some gorgeous rocks out here. We're gonna get set up because the sun is coming up, so we're just gonna get that real quick, and then we're really gonna properly introduce Irina. Yes. Okay? See you guys in a second. So for those who are new to the channel, it's about showing a photo shoot from the perspective of a professional photographer and a professional model. I try to show as many photos as I can, not just ones I think are best, and then I do wrap it up with those portfolio shots, aka the ones that actually make it on Instagram. If that sounds good to you, please hit that subscribe button, and I really appreciate it, everyone. Thank you. She's doing both right now too. Give me a lot of great variety. I like it. Is it cold scent? Yeah. Oh no. Please, let's not look into the camera, please. Nice. Alright, do your thing. You're a symphony. You're my favorite sound. When I look at you, stank out of my throat. She and I did come up with costuming together. I was looking through magazines and other photographers' portfolios, and I kind of like asked her, hey, do you have something like a white blouse? And she did. She showed me what else she had, and we just put that together. And all this was done through Instagram and online because I had never met her in person before this. I don't live in Florida, and it's just really cool that nowadays we can kind of just reach out and collaborate that way. I like to go ahead and just peek at me a bit. Nice. In case you haven't noticed, yes, I really like backlit shots, so with the sun behind the subject. I also only run the photos through Lightroom with some minimal adjusting, and then for the final ones at the end of this episode, the portfolio shots, I do about 2 or 3 minutes of photoshopping. And all that's just because I need to move fast, not because I'm against it. So what are we going for now? We're gonna go for a little bit of oil, right? It is so cold, and yet we're gonna do this. It looks so warm. It's not that easy. Ooh, my hair is awesome. Also, it's spring break. I didn't know it was spring break when I was coming over. And hopefully it shows up clearly in the YouTube video, but that oil really adds dimension to the skin. And we use baby oil here, and I learned later on from other models that they like to use coconut oil too because it stains their clothing less. If you're wondering what I'm shooting with, it's the Fuji X-T2. I have the X-T4 on pre-order and I'm so excited. But I love the colors that come out of this camera, and I also love the way it feels with a vertical grip. And I'm a believer that it's not just the image quality, but also the shooting experience that's important. If you feel the same way, please comment down below to let me know. Wow, that sunlight on you looks amazing. Alright. Yeah. Oh yeah, of course. Oh wow. Alright, close-ups. Nice. Love it. Oh, we'll try that in the sand. If, near the end, we'll start having you lie in the sand. Maybe now. So one thing I always try to be mindful about is the fact that the water is usually a little colder than it looks in the photos. I was a little jealous that the Florida water was warmer than the LA waters, but it's still a little bit colder than you think, and so you gotta give it up to the model for just keeping up that performance even in the middle of that. Nice. Alright. Oh, gorgeous. Look. Good, neat. Awesome. Oh, I love that. This look. this was probably my most favorite part of the shoot. The sun was just at the right angle, and she had just enough bit of water and oil to kind of give that dimension. The angle was right, the waves were coming in, she was performing, and then I kind of like that half blouse off look. So yeah, this was just my favorite part of it. I think some of the photos just came out really great during this time. Full bodies, these are great. I'm waiting for water, and there it is. Your eyes back on me, I love that. Yeah, wait for the water, and we're gonna play with something else. So we did a costume change right about here. Usually I have the model bring about 2, maybe 3 costume changes. It's rare that we get into 3 because I like to keep things under 90 minutes. Reason being that I just kind of like the amount of energy you get out of that. And so 2 costumes and 2 looks, it's about right. So sharp. Gorgeous. Going to relax the shoulder a little bit. Chance to pull your legs out a little bit straight. Right there, that's great. Go ahead and relax. We'll just get a couple of shots. Yeah. If you're wondering why the POV camera colors look so weird suddenly, it's because yeah, I'm running like 5 cameras on a set as a one-man band, no kidding. And you know, you can try to prep overnight if you want, and I do, but I'm always prepared that if something happens wrong in the set, I'm just gonna roll with it. Got it. Take 9. Love it. So the sun is higher now, and it's not sunrise anymore, but it's still low enough that you can get a backlit kind of look out of it, and which I really love. It's a little bit harsher, but it's not harsh in a bad way. You still get a very sexy kind of look out of it. Oh, very sexy. Oh, wow. Very hot. Half body shots, there we go. Woo. A couple more, looks great. Alright. So every model has like their own library of poses, and I've seen her do some of these poses in her portfolio with other photographers, and that's the whole point of that portfolio, because I see her style and I'm thinking, oh, I want to shoot with her. And then when we shoot together, everything's gonna be different, the costuming, the lighting, me, and so like no matter what, it's gonna be her style and my style mixed together, and we come up with something new. Let's go and get you up, or you don't care anymore? I'm waiting for, there we go. Trooper. Love that. Yes. And however you think you can play with that, it looks great. Love it. Oh, wow. Oh, it's too cold. So here's one of those things I just never thought about because I'm not the one in the sand, but it turns out she's like sinking in the sand with every one of those waves that comes down, you know, it's like pushing out the sand underneath her knees and she's sinking down. So I thought like, oh, she's trying to hit another pose. It's like, no, she's just trying not to drown. And then same thing, but your right leg a little bit less, your right leg a little bit more out, yeah. There we go, cool. And yeah, I like the way you're checking the sunrise. There it goes. Like tilt your head, yeah. Oh, there we go, that is the shot right there. Last one. Come on, last one, come on, where's the water? Dang. Got it. All right, let's go to wrap. Thank you. Let's go and sign off. You're such a trooper. We just finished shoot. You guys got to see what it was like. Gorgeous shots. It was super crazy cool for me to come out across the country from LA to Miami Beach. And I'm a little jealous. I think their water might be a little bit cleaner than ours. Actually, it's really cleaner than ours. I love it. It's gorgeous. The women here are beautiful. Obviously, you can see it. The shoot, there's nobody out here. It's spring break, but there's still nobody out here. We got some great shots. I'm working with a model that is just working it like crazy. And I was just thinking, oh my goodness, why don't I do more swimsuit shoots? Probably because I can't say that word. But anyways, that was so much fun. So anyways, that was really great. I loved my time here. Oh, speaking of Irina, we never got to introduce her. Tell us a little bit about yourself. You're a model and what? You told me some interesting stuff.
Yes, my name is Irina. I'm originally from Ukraine and I've been modeling in Miami for about 5 years already. Yeah, I do cosplay, I do body art and meet a lot of people from all over the world.
The more you learn, the better you get at learning. Irina does everything and I bet that helped her like modeling because it was amazing. She just took direction so well. She had great camera presence. So the aspiring models out there, like especially for swimsuit, any tips? What are you thinking through your head?
What I actually, when I'm in front of the camera and when I shoot outside, I get inspired with the nature. I get inspired with the sun. I just try to enjoy yourself, and this is the biggest tip I can give to anyone.
She looked like she was having fun, I'm sure. Yeah. Maybe she's just an amazing actor and I'm just being tricked, but that water was just so nice and warm too. So
we had a beautiful sunrise without any cloud.
Any people? Of course, I'm actually gonna go to the beach right after this. I'm just gonna relax. Yeah. Thank you so much for coming out, Irina.
Thanks. And another tip for aspiring models, you need to find connections. You cannot just sit and wait until somebody will book you. You need to reach out to photographers. You will get your job, you will get your people.
I put out a casting call, but Irina really took a next step, really like connected with me on Instagram. Yes. And it's like, you know, I love when I meet a model who's just going out and hustling and getting it. She's not just waiting because thank you so much, Irina. It was really great shooting. So we will see you. Awesome. We will see you guys next time, all right? Check it out. Bye.